Oh shoot, we are back. Maiden voyage here for the second time driving this booger ever. And look at that, the speedometer works. Unbelievable. Sunroof in action, beautiful day. Wow, it's crazy to have this thing going again, but geez, the steering wheel is crooked. I put it on when it was slightly turned, so we are gonna have to straighten the steering wheel back up. But for now, guys, she is back out whistling, boy. I love this sucker. What a fun unit. Gonna have a lot of fun now, people. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys, we're back and we got another giveaway item here that we have bought to support fellow YouTubers. This one happens to be Zach Pennick and Lacey Blair, their company, LB Motorsports, or whatever you want to call it. You guys know them. They're all over YouTube. I bought one of their shirts. Check out the Fummin' shirt. That looks so sick. We love supporting fellow YouTubers, and with a chance to win, then we get rid of this race truck for a trailer and haul that around. Whatever, one way or another, we're gonna get there. Just love showing support, guys. Here we go. Literally, guys, just crazy to be behind the wheel of this thing again. Listen to the turbo. Just giving it just the tiniest throttle, and that sucker just purrs, boy. Never mind the steering wheel being crooked. I know, we'll get to it. But man, just out cruising in this thing, it just doesn't even feel real. And it's so fun. It's just this old clapped out farm truck, and I'm just having like the most fun of my life. Just whistling, boy, that whistling diesel, boy. I just love it, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm just happy. You ever get in a vehicle and you're just happy to be in it? It's just so crazy. Look, Ovi on the snap, boy, trying to tell me what's up. Sunroof not open right now. It's actually kind of cool out today. It feels perfect though. This thing is just a blast, and really, it's holding up for its age and its mileage. It just is still kicking, boy. All right, so let's go take a look, guys. Sorry, don't mind me. The dog is wanting to play Frisbee. Come on, Diesel, let's go. He loves chasing that Frisbee out here. But anyways, guys, here it is out in the sunlight. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at it right there. Looks good for an old truck, don't it? But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, this is my 2011 LML Duramax. And we're going to talk today a little bit about what could you expect from a 372,000 mile Duramax diesel. Look at it. I'm going to go over the truck a little bit. If you guys are new, consider sticking around. We do a lot of fun stuff here on the channel. I don't know who was. Somebody mentioned that they do like the weekly content, and we've been on it. I've been trying really hard, even if some of the stuff is boring. I just really appreciate all the love and support here, Deez. So we're going to keep going on the weekly content here. Let's just walk around the truck a little bit and talk. You can see this one particular has the front clip busted off it. This was a construction company truck for a good portion of its life, and then it was a race truck, a sled pull truck, jump it at the dunes truck, and just have a lot of fun. These trucks are known for the CP4 pump failure, and this has the CP3 conversion done, as well as the FAS underneath it, so that way our fuel system is taken care of. Yeah, look at the rust, guys. The rockers just love going, and the bed loves going. Do have new wheels and tires on it. Obviously, you can do that on anything. Upgraded tie rods down there too. That way they don't just fall apart. But the tires are 33 mud tires, 24 by 12 negative 44 offset wheels, and the chrome looks good with the denali package. These mirrors, I don't believe they're factory. They're probably Amazon or eBay specials. They are not our buddies at Boost Auto, so the little LEDs are going out and stuff in them, but they still work somewhat. You'll see a lot of rubber on there, guys. A lot of burnouts in this thing, a lot of four-wheel drive boosted launches, etc. But you'll see the hood, a couple dents in there, a little bit of the molding there coming out. Got the windshield wipers, they're about shot. Look, that one's just flopping around. Need to get some new wipers on there. No cracks in the windshield luckily, but a lot of dents and scrapes as you can expect from an old truck. A lot of rust down in there. I did put new fender liners in if you've been around, so those are new. Did new headlights. Obviously older trucks, those get real foggy, can barely see, with LED Oxydo bulbs I put in there. The grill still factory. Hi Dees. He's just checking it out. What you think, boo? Lots of little paint issues, but it is just fine. I broke the antenna off on purpose, but if you do try to park these things in your garage and they rock back and forth, they'll break off, you know. Mine did on the other truck. Do have traction bars on this sucker. These are also bent though because somebody lifted the truck up with a 3-post lift from the track bars and then bent them, but you know, that's okay. And obviously the beds, guys, they go on these trucks. They definitely go. A lot of rust poking up through there, bursting through. You'll see, where's that door handle? That one there, rusting out there too as well. Rust here, tires rub like a sun gun. I need to do some more trimming in there to run these wide tires, but they just look so good. I mean, honestly, guys, it's really not bad. And this truck literally cost me less than a razor, so this is my razor. Why don't you have a razor, Joe? This is why, because I got a 800 horsepower Denali instead. So fully built motor, built trans from the previous owner. Talk about that all the time, but let's step inside, guys. The seats always go in these trucks. I put this new seat in from Amazon. Just the bottom cushion, the back was fine. You'll see wear and tear in the leather. Gonna get a new center console. It's like 50 bucks or something, so we'll get that replaced. The steering wheel, the old one, if you remember, was shredded to all heck. This is out of a Escalade, similar year, so all the buttons still work. The heat works. I tested all that. That's super nice. These, I cannot find these Denali wear plates or whatever these things are. Need that. Carpet's pretty rough from the sand dunes and whatnot, and you'll see rust down in there. We got to maybe glue that back in there, but the rocker, oh boy. Look at them go, a lot of rust. This thing sat outside a long time. Got Husky liners in there, I put them in, them are pretty nice, but overall, the screen's got some flaking and chipping, but still works. The movies still work, the DVD player still works, sunroof works. A lot of stains on the headliner, that's for darn sure, but I ain't lying about the mileage. Let's turn this on. You can hear the pump. Hear the fast pump running. Diesel, you getting up in there, boy? I have every single light on in the truck. Add coolant. There's the odometer. Let's get the shot, boy. Where's the shot? 372, 301. How about that? And the Christmas tree effect. Okay, so that's that. Beautiful. Let's see what else we got. Let's open up the back. Just little rock chips and stuff. You know, it ain't worth fixing at this point. The back seat, pretty darn nice. Not as much room as the newer style trucks, but that's okay. Keep extra coolant in there. Who wants to watch Spider-Man or the Lorax? What you know about that? But honestly, good shape. The Bose system still works, so we like that. I do got one giant spot there. That's all right. And I don't know if you can tell by the sun, but Ovi might have taken this thing for a test spin, shredded my new tires up that my wife bought me, and just threw it all over the truck. So now we got rubber everywhere, boy. Got to get that off of there. What else? Rear end, zip tied together, dented, backed into stuff. I don't have any of the parking sensors still on there. Bed is starting to go. It's got some holes in it. And look at that, my bed's already wearing out when I just did this over the winter. That is for spare water, right? Not a nitrous tank. Anyway, this back here, tail light, got a nice little crack in it. We'll replace this at some point, but honestly, all in all, let's see, pop in this side. Yeah, same type of thing. It's just eating away. I got to get some Bondo on there. And look, I don't even know where this sand is coming from at this point, but I haven't had it off-road, and just more and more sand keeps coming in. But passenger side, a little rust pit. DC, what you do, boo? Here, come on, babe. Why don't you go play? Go run around, chase something. Go get him. Go get him. Anyways, guys, so yeah, see, look at how nice that looks. I need that for the driver's side if anybody's got one. The buttons, do not work. The heated and cooled seats, I don't think they go anymore, unfortunately. I wish they did. I'll have to try them again, but they didn't work initially. But the seats are holding up well, other than the driver's side. Clean. And this, you have to have an old, this was before you had Bluetooth, so you got to plug your phone into this if you want some music. But the Bose sounds good, so we'll go with that. Got to get that GoPro out, but yeah, guys, what do you think? Doors are kind of hard to close. This thing's must have been hit a couple times because the doors kind of squeak and bind and bend. You can see the hood's bent up a little bit here. Body lines ain't right. A little densky in there, but got a lot of miles on it, guys, and looks good, and it's just a lot of fun. So I'll close this sucker up here, but I just want to show you guys because a lot of people ask me about the truck. I also have a lot of people that want to buy it already. Let me keep it for a little while. I just got it running. But yeah, someday if you guys want it, maybe we can talk. But yeah, look at it. I gotta find the money shot. Just look at this sucker out here, boy. It just looks beautiful. So yeah, just out of curiosity, guys, what do you guys think of the Duramax? What do you think of the platform? What's the best one? LB7, LLY, LBZ, LMM, LML, L5P, you name it. Which one's the best? I've tried a bunch of them. This is like my 6th or 7th diesel truck now. Look at the shirt, 85. Shout out to Logan. Just copped the first Steelers game. That is epic to see him on the big stage. I'm all over the place, guys, but you just got to rep for the home team, you know what I mean? So anyways, guys, I got a lot going on, a lot on my mind, but still trying to get this channel moving. Also, guys, if you didn't see the compilation video, that thing turned out super epic to kind of show you what we're all about, what we're into, and just a crazy journey, how far we've come in such a short amount of time. And the future is just ready to unfold on us. So super blessed and grateful for everything. I'll leave you guys with this for now, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks so much. Peace.